Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong math problem coming from the latest EE board September 2023, and this came from calculus. Although yung ibang mga EE natin dyan, niluluksom na lang to. Pero ayun, we have to know the concept, paano ba siya nakukuha or yung pinaka-process natin. Kasi hindi natin malaman, malay nyo magbago yung examiner tapos baguhin yung given. Anyway, before natin sagutan to, shoutout muna sa mga BSEE ng PRMSU. So, 4A and 4B and mga Lodi Cakes kayong lahat. And I hope you all the best, future engineers. God bless you all. So, find the minimum distances or find the minimum distance from the point 4, 2 to the parabola y squared equals 8x. So, pinaka first thing na pwede natin gawin dito mga Lodi Cakes is we will try to graph the given parabola. So, since naka-square is y, kapag yung y naka-square, it will just be either to the right or to the left, yung opening natin. Kapag x kasi yung naka-square, it's either up or down. So dahil y naka-square, it's either right or left. And then titingnan natin ano ba yung coefficient to nasa kanan natin. Dahil positive yan, that means na to the right siya. Tapos since wala naman siyang y term dito, tapos ito walang constant, automatically ang vertex nito ay, okay, dapat matik na sa inyo to mga idol So the vertex of that equation, Sir IJ, is located at 0, 0. So let's say ito yung parabola natin, y squared equals 8x. Kunyari na lang, not drawn to scale. So let's say that this equation represents the parabola y squared equals 8x. Sinabi daw, find the minimum distance from the point 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say this is 1, 2, 4, 2. Ito yung distance na hinahanap natin. So this is the point 4, 2. So paano po ba natin ginagawa yun, Sir IJ? Minimum distance. So that is optimization, maximum minima, yung concept na gagamitin natin dito. So alam natin na ang distance between 2 points is yung may square root ng x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Pero paano po natin siya i-express in terms of only one variable? So ganito gagawin natin. Let's say itong point na to is x, y. Okay? Kapag ito kasi yung x na nilagay natin dito, 8x, kapag kinumpute natin yung y, so magkakaroon ka ng square root. Di ba parang ganito yung mangyayari dyan? Y squared equals 8x, pag kinumpute mo yung y, magiging plus or minus square root of 8x, or simplify mo, plus or minus 2 square root of 2x. Mga Lodi Cakes, which is mahirap, pangit, may radicals. May radical na nga yung equation natin sa distance formula, magkaka-radical pa tayo dito, mas mahirap yan. So what I suggest mga Lodi Cakes is you will solve for x in terms of y para wala tayong radical. So we have x equals y squared over 8. So ano na mangyayari dyan, Sir IJ? So itong x, y will now be represented by the point y squared over 8 y. So yung x, pinalitan ko lang nito mga Lodi Cakes. Tapos yung distance niya kay 4, 2. Ayan, so paano ba natin kinukumpute yung distance between 2 points? So the distance between 2 points is just the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1, quantity squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Sir IJ, may radical din po yan. Paano po kaya yan pag nag-differentiate tayo, mahirap? So what I suggest, kapag ganito yung problem natin, minimum or maximum distance from a certain equation to a certain point, ang gawin nyo, itong d, square nyo. Kasi nga, mawawala yung radical natin, which is, same lang naman na kapag differentiate natin yun, ganun din yung lalabas. Ang kaibahan lang kapag naka-square to, mas madali. So, paano yun, Sir IJ? So, gawin mo lang siyang d squared. So, therefore, yung distance natin is squared. So, lakihan na lang natin itong mga Lodi Cakes. Distance squared is equal to, nawala na yung square root, y squared over 8 minus 4 squared, right? Plus y minus 2 squared. So let's say ito yung x sub 2, y sub 2 natin, x sub 1, y sub 1. Minus ko lang to, squared minus squared. Naka-squared na rin yan. So simplify muna natin, Sir IJ. So we have d squared equals square of the first term, y to the fourth over 64, minus twice the product, 2 times 4, that's 8. May over 8 dito. So matitira na lang y squared plus 16 plus y squared. Dapat medyo gamay na yung pag-square ng binomial, mga Lodi. So this can be cancelled. So we have d squared is equal to y to the fourth over 64 minus 4y plus 20. Okay, so ulitin ko, 16 plus 4, 20, negative 4y, na-cancel yung negative y squared at positive y squared. So ito na, nakuha na natin yung square ng distance in terms of y, and then we will apply differentiation, and then equate that to, okay, that's the correct principle, equate that to 0. So ano na mangyayari dito, Sir IJ? So ang gawin natin, lagyan na lang natin dito mga idolo. So we have, differentiate natin with respect to y. So we have the derivative of the square of the distance with respect to y, that is, derivative ng y to the fourth is 4y cubed. So 4y cubed, copy na lang natin ng 64, minus, this is minus 4y, minus 4 equals 0, kasi the derivative of constant is 0. So kapag sinimplify natin to mga Lodi cakes, ang 4 over 64, that is correct, that is y cube over 16. Kasi 'di ba simplified niyan 1 over 16. So you have y cube equals yung 4 lilipat. 4 times 16, that's 64. So you have y equals, get the cube root of 64, which is 4. So if this is 4 mga Lodi cakes, ano yung value ng x natin? So this is 4 squared over 8. So that is 16 over 8, that's 2. So ibig sabihin yung point natin dito is 2, 4. And then just get the distance, d equals square root of x sub 2, 4 minus 2 squared plus 2 minus 4 squared. Simplify nyo mga Lodi cakes, that is 2 square root of 2. Kaya ang sagot sa board problem na to is 2 square root of 2. Although looks from na lang ng mga Lodi cakes natin eh. Pero what if lang, di ba, biglang baguhin, gawing y squared equals 12x or etc. Pero if ever may questions kayo or clarifications mga Lodi cakes, feel free to comment on the comment section. And I hope sa mga pinopost nating mga tutorial videos, marami kayo natututunan. And kita-kits sa mga susunod na engineering and math related tutorial natin. And keep safe mga Lodi cakes. Bye-bye and God bless.